Hey, what's going on, guys? Justin with Tier 1 Gear and EDC Reviews. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Ostap Hel designed Bestech Ivy. Now this comes my way via the Apex Pass Around group. You know, Ostap Hel is one of my favorite designers. A lot of his new stuff with Wii is just absolutely phenomenal, and Bestech makes a great blade as well, so I knew this one was going to be nice. Now, I did see it on the pre-order and was like, yeah, I got to try one of those eventually. So I'm very glad to finally get one in hands. Now, anyway, you can see this thing has a beautiful satin hardbell blade, which is made from S35EN steel. It has a flat grind with a really nice harpoon swedge that gives this thing an awesome look. Now, it has a beautifully sculpted titanium handle with this bronze anodized finish. I think it just looks really good with the oversized hardware against the blade. It's a nice contrast, and man, I just love it. Anyway, the pocket clip is tip-up right-hand carry only, and it's made from titanium as well. Of course, it is a frame lock design, and I gotta admit, I'm really digging the way you actually have a little bit of access to that lock bar on this one. You know, a lot of frame locks these days, they want to put them too close, not give you any type of bevel or chamfering around the edge that allows, you know, easier access to it. This one you do not have that problem with, and it deploys and unlocks very, very nicely. Anyway, the overall length on this guy is 7 inches. The blade is 3 inches. The cutting edge also 3 inches with a width of 0.75. Now, the thickness is 0.13. Now, the handle length is 4 inches with a width of 0.75. The thickness, 0.50. And let's get an accurate weight on this bad boy. 2.390, which, honestly, you're not going to feel that in your pocket. And again, this is a really EDC-friendly knife. You know, hawkbills are not necessarily known as being a practical blade shape, but I gotta admit, this thing cuts and slices with the best of them. You know, light duty, EDC use, self-defense, stuff like that, this thing's gonna work perfectly. Anyway, compared to the Monterey Bay Knives Slayback, you can see it's right around a 1/4 inch longer than that. Compared to the Para 3, about a 1/4 inch shorter than that, something like that. We will throw in the ZT0450. Yeah, I don't even know my own knife. Those ZT numbers confuse the crap out of me, I will admit. ZT0450, it's honestly right around the same size, maybe 1/8 of an inch shorter than the ZT, which, great EDC size, and honestly, this thing is well built. It is a solid knife, and for 200 bucks, that thing really isn't that bad. Considering what knives are going for these days, 200 bucks is not high. You know, I can't stress that enough. The thing is, you know, you get what you pay for these days, and yeah, there are a lot of nice knives out there for 40, 50, 60 bucks, but you know, when you're getting up into the $150, $200 range, you really want, you know, the quality to match that. Well, Bestech is really good at that, and I gotta admit, this thing is really impressive. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe if you haven't already. Check me out on Instagram for much, much more. Stay safe. See you guys on the next one.